Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaSchool.com, and you probably know that I run this online harmonica school where I provide a step-by-step curriculum for beginner to advanced intermediate players. But what you might not know is that as well as my material, I also invite guest teachers to do guest seminars. These are live seminars every month on specific topics. And the teachers that I get are world-class performers and teachers, people like Adam Gusso, Ronnie Shellis, Joe Falisco, and many more. Now, one of the recent seminars that we had over in the school was from the amazing Todd Parrott, who did an introduction to country harmonica playing. So I thought I would show you a little bit of that seminar.
One thing about this document, I apologize. For some reason, when I saved this as a PDF, it bumped over some of these little arrows, either to the right or left, just a hair. So some of them may be out of place, but the gist of it is there. So we'll see if we encounter any of those. But what I'm going to do is skip country pattern number 1 and number 2 first, and I'm going to start with country pattern number 3, because you can get a lot of mileage out of this one. And this little pattern is one of the first things that I learned. So we're going to learn country pattern number 3 first. It's really just a little diddly thing that just repeats itself. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like. And I've got the piano here, and I'm just going to put a bass note down, a bass pattern down in here in just a moment. But if you look at it, this is the whole pattern. Are you ready for this? I'm going to play it for you. It's just 3 notes. I know there's 4 notes on the page, but you think of it as 3 notes, and it sounds like this. That's it. Da da da. 3 4 3. All draw. Now what I'm going to do with the first one is just scoop it. So I'm going to say, so that's all I'm doing. Even if you can't bend notes, you can still say, that's the whole pattern. So let's play it real slow. 1 2 3 4. Again. Again. Now the goal is with this is just to take this and loop it over and over and over and over again. So I'm going to play what we just played. Wah diddle, wah diddle, wah diddle, wah diddle. So I'm going to play it slow like that and get you to play it with me. And I'm going to show you how I first encountered this lick with Charlie McCoy. And I'll show you what it sounds like at a good fast tempo. But here we go. Let's do it nice and slow. 1 2 and 3 and 4 and. And it's very easy to fill up with air pretty quickly, especially when you're playing it slow like that. So I'm going to speed it up just a little bit like this. 1 2 3 4. Play along and. And that's the whole pattern. Now, you say, well, that doesn't sound like much to me. Well, when I first heard it in Orange Blossom Special, it was lightning fast. I think that's mute there, James. James, yeah. Nope, no worries, no worries. But when I heard this, it was lightning fast. Let me show you what it sounded like. And so Charlie was doing this, moving his jaw. So if you were tapping your foot with this, if you were tapping your foot, 1 2 3 4. That wah, that's your downbeat. Wah diddle, wah diddle, wah diddle, wah. All right, so and I think, and James, I muted you too, by the way, so you feel free to play all you want. Everybody, let's try it. Now, I know it might be a little bit fast, but let's just try it at that kind of a medium tempo like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm using the wah as my 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2 to kind of keep me anchored on beat. Now the next part of it is a walk up, and the walk up is this. So I've got 2 1 draws there, but it's actually not two actual breaths of air. It's 1 stream of air. I'm just saying da 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 da. All right, so da 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 da. My baby da da. All right, and then I'm doing 2 blow, 2 draw. And 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, and now what we're going to do is just say da 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 da, and then we're going to put wah diddle, wah diddle, wah diddle. So 1, 2, 3. Let me try that again, because I need to start playing 1, 2, 3, wah da, right after the 3rd beat. So 1, 2, 3. So you can take that, just that little thing. When Charlie McCoy played Orange Blossom Special, he said, and just kept, and it just like made my head spin. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's like machine gun notes, but it's really quite easy what's happening.
Okay, so that is actually just a short snippet of the full seminar, which was about an hour long and included downloads for students to work from. Now, these seminars are only available to members of my online harmonica school. So if you want to find out a little bit more about how you can join and all the other perks that you get from being a member of my school, click on the link in the description below. But before you do that, if you've enjoyed this lesson, please give me a thumbs up and hit that like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new harmonica video every Wednesday. All right, take it easy. Happy harping.